Welcome back. We're working on the pistol, and now we're going to work on the animation for reloading. Because as it stands, if we pick up a pistol and we fire and reload, we're playing the reload animation for SMG, which is not quite right. Now, we can go into our Anim starter pack and search for pistol. And we have a pistol reload, or rather a reload pistol animation, and this is designed for having a pistol. So let's go ahead and retarget this reload pistol animation. I'm going to right click, retarget anim assets, duplicate anim assets and retarget, and select Bellicus skeleton and click retarget, and we now have a retargeted reload pistol animation. So that is what the reload animation looks like. Let's go ahead and move this into our game/character/animations folder. So select move here. And now we have an animation for reloading for the pistol. Why don't we go ahead and go into our animations folder and open our reload montage. Here in the reload montage, we have the reload SMG and the reload AR sections. I'm going to drag in our new reload pistol animation right here into this section here, and I'm going to right click on this bar right here and select new montage section, and I'm going to call this reload space pistol. So now we have a reload pistol section. Now if I go ahead and scroll through, I can see the points where I need to add sounds and anim notifies. I'm first going to add the anim notifies for grab clip and release clip. So grab clip is basically going to be the beginning of the animation. So I'm going to go ahead and put grab clip right here at the beginning. And since this is getting crowded, I'm going to add a new notify track. And right here on 5, this is where I'll put our grab clip notify. So right here, add notify, skeleton notifies, grab clip. Now I'm going to scrub through all the way to the part where the clip gets replaced, and that's about right here. I can zoom in a bit. That's about right here. So I'm going to add the replace clip notify here. Add notify, skeleton notifies, replace clip. And at the very end, we're going to have our reload finish. So right click, I'm going to put it on this 5th track, add notify, skeleton notifies, and reload finish. And now we're ready for our sounds. So at the beginning, right where we're grabbing the clip, here is where I'm going to add the sound. I'm going to actually add another notify track. And right here, I'm going to right click, add notify, and play sound. I'm going to select this. And for the sound, let's go into our game assets sounds pistol. And we have this pistol clip remove cue. I'm going to use that. So let's select pistol, and it's going to be pistol clip remove. And I'm going to add another notify for when the hand is reaching back behind, right about right here. And I'm going to add another notify track because things are getting quite jumbled up here. So without new notify tracks, these are all going to be overlapping each other. So that's why the ability to add tracks is so useful. Now, for when the hand is reaching behind the hips, I'm going to choose the same sound used here, which is magazine sound 5Q. So right about here, I'm going to right click, add notify, play sound, and I'm going to type magazine and use magazine sound 5Q here. And then when the clip gets put back in, right about here, I'm going to add another play sound notify. And I'm going to select this one, and here in the sounds pistol folder, there's a pistol clip insert cue. Sounds like a click. I'm going to go ahead and use that. So I'm going to type pistol clip and use pistol clip insert cue. So now let's see how this looks. And it looks like that first sound is a little late, that pistol clip remove. So I'm going to go ahead and hold Control and zoom in here and move pistol clip remove closer to the beginning of the animation montage section. Now let's go ahead and play this. Yeah, I think I'd like it basically at the beginning. So let's put it right about there. And I'm gonna actually tweak these sounds just a bit more. Let's see. I think that pistol clip remove sounds okay. Magazine sound 5 might be a little late. So I'm going to move magazine sound 5 a little bit earlier. Let's put it about over here. And pistol clip insert can be a little earlier as well. And make sure pistol clip remove is indeed inside the right montage section. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and leave these as they are. And before we test this out, let's go into the montage section tab and click clear. And that way, all of the animation montage sections will be played as single animations. They won't go into other montage sections when they're done. So now we have a reload pistol montage section, and we can go into the weapon data table, and for our montage section name called reload montage section, we can now put reload space pistol. And thanks to on construction, this will set our reload montage section name. So let's save this, and let's go back and move the gun just a little, and now we can test this out. So let's go ahead and pick it up, fire a weapon. Actually, we need to switch to the pistol and fire, and now we can reload. And now we have our sounds. I think the reload sound for the clip insertion is a little early. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little early, so I'm going to tweak this. This is just tweaking. You're going to end up doing lots of tweaking when you're game developing. I'm going to move it ahead to about there. Now let's test this out. We'll pick up the pistol, swap to it, fire, and reload. It's a little late now, so I'm going to move it just a little bit back. See how this looks and sounds. Oops, I need to switch to the weapon. I think that's going to be pretty good. Okay, so that's going to conclude this video. We now have a reload animation, and it has its own montage section. And we are setting the reload montage section name in the data table. And thanks to on construction, this will set the appropriate variable on the weapon for the pistol so that we play the correct montage section. Okay, in the next video, we're going to work on our pistol fabric IK for hand placement so that our left hand is on the correct location when grabbing the pistol. So that way it doesn't look like we're holding the SMG, it's going to look like we're holding the pistol as far as this left hand is concerned. So we'll see you in the next video.